Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel CruiseAdventure. Today I am going to show you how we celebrate New Year on a cruise ship. The Lido Deck on deck set transform into a party for our guests with music, dancing and a grand countdown. The energy here is amazing. Everyone's in the festive spirit, ready to welcome the New Year in a style. While the guest party outside, we the crew have our own celebration in the dining. A unique way to celebrate New Year on board at sea with people from around the world. Happy New Year to everyone, and don't forget to drop a comment how you celebrate your New Year. Stay tuned with this adventure for more adventure. Ciao for now.